If the case doesn't settle and it goes to trial, the most important aspect of the trial itself is the presentation of the evidence and the information to the jury. If they don't track the evidence, they're not going to be able to understand it, and they're not going to find in your favor. We found over the last 6 to 12 years that the jurors are changing. They're changing because they spend more time on computers, they spend time with things like PlayStation. They're really keyed into the electronic media, and we've had to adjust our trial presentations in order to keep up with that, and in order to give them a presentation which is going to entertain them as well. And the way to do that is by having a multimedia presentation. In trials we use videotape, we use exhibit boards, especially for medical illustrations. They're tremendous. We use models of a spine in a spine injury case where there's been a back or neck surgery. We use a model of a brain in a brain injury case where there's been a brain injury. We find that what the juries like is a fast-moving presentation that's kind of like what they're used to watching in televisions and movies. So we don't sit still. We move from videotape to exhibit board to a model, to presentation of a document, not just by showing the document itself, but maybe having the key words highlighted in yellow so they jump off the page and hit you in the head. We find that the juries understand this, and the juries will return. If they understand the case, whatever it takes to get them to understand it, that's going to maximize your chances of getting a good result.